Poetry and Prose about Prayers and Hymns by Unicole Unicron of Unicult. Affirmations. I greet each day as a life force. It is a service to all living beings, of course. I am self-reliant as far as I keep from the worse. The end goal gives us a sense of persistence. What needs to bend, and how might we offer resistance? The forces I align with align as a defense. The variety takes the individual to the universal, beyond pretense. It is not about honoring me to be about honoring me in the integration, and all else is released. And this is a comment or working, or whatever you want to call it, of the 4 selections of affirmations. I think the litany section would have fit better under the title of affirmations and given the term litanies to the affirmation section. Although you do sort of have litanies, it might have been better to stay rituals, but